Hello there. Welcome to my channel again. I hope you are having fun and also you are enjoying the new month. You know, we are in May. I can't even imagine right now. Anyway, yeah, welcome again to my channel, and this is Colette. I just love you guys. I'm really excited to be here and to talk to you again about certain things that you know are matters to us. And right now I am going to talk to you about Mother Nature again. All right. Yes, I'm going to talk to you about Mother Nature because we really have to deal with Mother Nature, and we have to try to see what we can do to keep it intact. All right. I hope already you had a chance also to watch my previous videos and to subscribe to my channel, and to make sure that you are not missing anything. Please subscribe to my channel and we can be in this journey together, because we're gonna have to tackle many issues, and only as we can find the solutions for some issues. So hopefully please don't miss to subscribe, and subscribe please to my channel. We're gonna have fun together, and we can tackle some issues, because we are here to try to discuss certain things that are matter to us. All right. But before I go any further, think as I said, I just published a children book, and I need to wear my glasses. Sorry guys, sorry, I need to wear my glasses because I can't really see without them. Yeah, so this book here, this is children book that I spoke to you again about, and I published this children book, and our nature matter. Mother Nature matter to all of us, and we really need to care for it. We need to take care of it, and I think that we cannot survive without Mother Nature. The more we make Mother Nature happy, or the more we take care of Mother Nature, and we can have a long life, because what the world really can do or can be without trees, or without water, without flowers, or without even bees, because bees, they are very, very important also to our nature. So please go on Amazon.com or BarnesandNoble.com, or on my website, ColetteGlobalGroup.com, ColetteWorldGroup.com. Sorry, I just changed my website a little bit because somebody else was taking the previous website. So it's ColetteWorldGroup.com, ColetteWorldGroup.com. That's my website, and I will put the link also on the bottom of this video. All right, so please get the book, and let's teach our children in early age to let them know that Mother Nature is important, and Mother Nature is here for us, and has given us a lot, you know. Mother Nature has given us a lot, and now it's time for us to care for Mother Nature. I am Mother Nature myself. I am. Because I believe that we get food, we get anything that we need from Mother Nature. And I explain the issues we are facing in here: flood, like a fire, and the trash that we throw in the water, you know. So please try to get a copy for your children, and let's teach them in early age, so that way we can protect our planet, we can protect you know, our Mother Nature, you know, and that way we can keep everybody safe and alive. All right, so that is that. And also there is this book, I've been talking about it, and this is my personal story. You can get this also on Amazon.com, barnesandnoble.com, and we are going to talk about this book again today. Okay, and there is a French copy of this. Also you can get it, the French copy on presenceafricaine.com, that's where the French copy is. Or you can go on my website, coletteworldgroup.com. I'm going to put the link in the bottom of my video today. Okay, now here is, we are going to talk again today about the molestation.